Today I want to show you the glove method of herbicide weed control. The first thing that you do is you place nitrile gloves on your hands. I have mine right here. They come in a multitude of colors. At this point you would mix your chemical, your herbicide. Always follow the label directions when you're mixing. For this demo, I have mixed some water with food coloring so that I can see where I've been on which weeds. Dyes are made specifically for that purpose and can be bought on just about any of the marketplaces. So the next thing I will do is put on my cotton glove. The nitrile gloves protect my hands from herbicide damage, or contamination rather. Okay. Next, I dip my hand in my herbicide, get it on my cotton glove, shake it off a little bit, find my weed, and here I'm doing nutsedge. So then I would just wipe my hands up through there. Dip again, go to the next one. It's a little bit time consuming, but it is a easy and efficient way to kill weeds that are just a little bit too close to your plants in your gardens. Donna Lee, LSU Ag Center.